Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning solutions with a spotlight on one of the best Chem wipes available in the market. The AAwipes Lint-free Cleanroom wipes. If you're in the business of maintaining high standards of cleanliness, whether in labs, automotive shops, or cleanrooms, these wipes are engineered to meet your needs. Let's start by unpacking what makes these wipes stand out. They're crafted using a unique blend of cellulose and polyester fibers through a hydro-entangled process. This results in a non-woven fabric that's not only gentle on delicate surfaces but also exceptionally durable. At 56 GSM, they strike a balance between absorbency and strength, perfect for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. These wipes come in a generous size of 9 inches by 9 inches, packed neatly in a set of 300. Whether you're wiping down sensitive electronics, preparing surfaces in automotive paint shops, or adhering to stringent cleanroom standards, these wipes deliver reliability. They retain their shape even when wet and are designed to withstand rigorous use without linting or tearing. Speaking of applications, these wipes aren't just versatile. They're essential for environments that demand pristine cleanliness. From labs requiring meticulous attention to detail to automotive settings where precision is paramount, AAwipes has engineered these with your needs in mind. They're designed to meet cleanroom standards, ensuring they maintain the highest level of cleanliness necessary for sensitive operations. What are users saying about these wipes? Well, they consistently receive high ratings for their softness, durability, and value for money. Many users appreciate the economic packaging and the option to customize for different dispensing needs. Whether you're a small business looking for reliable cleaning solutions or a large operation needing consistency, these wipes are tailored to fit your requirements. If you're considering alternatives, keep in mind the benefits these wipes offer. Unlike traditional cotton or paper towels, they're designed not to shed lint or leave fibers behind, which can be crucial in environments requiring precision. Their blend of materials ensures they maintain their integrity even with frequent use, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. To sum up, the AAwipes Cleanroom wipes are a standout product in their category. With their blend of cellulose and polyester, they offer unmatched strength, absorbency, and softness, making them the go-to choice for anyone serious about maintaining cleanliness standards. Whether you're in a lab, workshop, or cleanroom facility, these wipes are designed to exceed expectations. If you're ready to experience the difference these wipes can make in your cleaning routine, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on a pack today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. Until next time, keep your surfaces clean and your standards high.